Let's learn this pretty hair accessory. All we need 2 types of yarn: crochet hook and claw clip. Let's start. Make a knot and start making chain. Make 40 chain stitch. After 40 chain, you can measure like this also.
From second stitch, make HTC. Make HTC in all chain stitch till last.
Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Tie the knot of extra yarn. Hide the extra yarn. Cut the extra yarn. Make 2 like this, and follow the same pattern. Paste on claw clip both sides. Please don't spread glue all over the claw clip. You can just use this technique to make clean. Paste properly. Start making tulip.
Round 1, make magic ring and 6 SC into magic ring. Tighten the magic ring and slip stitch into first SC.
Chain 1.
Round 2, make 2 SC in each stitch and total of 12 SC in this round. Slip stitch into the first stitch.
Chain 1.
Round 3, 1 single crochet and 1 increased and make total of 18 single crochet. Slip stitch into the first stitch.
Chain 1.
Round 4 to 5, 1 single crochet in all the stitches and then slip stitch and chain 1. Make total of 18 single crochet in each round. Round 6, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Make total of 12 SC. Slip stitch and chain 1. Round 7, slip stitch and 3 half double crochet in next stitch. Continue this pattern and make total of 6 petals in this round. Slip stitch into the first stitch and chain 1.
Cut the yarn. Hide the extra yarn. Cut the extra yarn. Also hide the extra yarn into backside. I don't like to use glue, so I hide the yarn like this in my all projects. Cut the yarn. Shape the tulip. Follow the same pattern and make 2 tulips. Attach the tulip with glue. Stick flowers properly. I am attaching pearl to look more Pinteresty. Yes, you made it. Make and don't forget to show your projects on my Instagram page, Crochet Muse 27.
Thank you so much guys for supporting. Means a lot. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will upload more videos.